In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pages between your Canva designs. This is really helpful if you've already created something you love, like a slide, a social media post, or a flyer, and you want to reuse that exact layout or style in another design without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along in your own Canva account. First, open Canva in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your recent designs. Start by opening the design that contains the page or pages you want to copy. This is going to be your source design. Give it a moment to load so all the elements on the page appear clearly. Now, look at the page thumbnails along the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Each small thumbnail represents a page in your design. Click on the thumbnail for the page you want to copy so it's selected and visible in the main editing area. To copy this page, hover over the thumbnail and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, choose the option to copy or duplicate the page. In many cases, Canva will also let you use keyboard shortcuts like copy and paste. But right-clicking ensures you see all the options available. What you're doing here is copying the entire page, including all text, images, and formatting. Next, you need to open the design where you want to paste this page. You can do this by going back to your Canva homepage in another tab, or by opening the second design from the All Your Designs section. This second design is your destination design. Once that design is open, again look at the page thumbnails. Right-click in the page area where you want the copied page to appear. For example, if you want it at the end of your document, right-click after the last page. Then choose the option to paste the page. After a moment, you should see the entire copied page appear, perfectly matching the original. From here, you can edit anything on the pasted page, just like any other page in your design. Update the text, swap out images, or change colors while keeping the overall structure. If the style looks slightly different, check that you're using the same fonts and brand colors as in your original design. Finally, remember to save your work. Canva usually saves automatically, but it's a good habit to make sure the All Changes Saved message appears before you close the tab. Now you know how to copy pages between your Canva designs quickly and confidently.